National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Wisconsin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Greene County in south central Wisconsin, southwestern Rock County in south central Wisconsin until 6 p.m. At 5:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Albany, or near Evansville, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Broadhead, Orfordville, Footville, Newark, Magnolia, Hanover, Leiden, and Afton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is